welcome to my channel. This is your girl Bidisha, and in today's video we are going to talk about a new highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury's. Yes, we are talking about the 2020 holiday collection highlighter from her line, which is Hollywood Superstar Glow Highlighter. Now in this video, we are going to do an in-depth review of this highlighter, swatches, demo, application, and at last my final thoughts. So if this is something which interests you, then please keep watching. But before that, if you are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. We talk everything about makeup and beauty, so please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell icon next to it so that you are not missing any of my future videos. And also, please join my family in Instagram at Bidisha's Makeup. So without further delay, let's get started. Guys, even before I start talking about this highlighter, I want to let you know what the mindset I was in when I bought it. Now, I am always in search of a great highlighter, a good foundation for my skin tone, a great pigmented eyeshadow palette, a nice lip gloss which is not sticky, and also a great liquid lipstick. And I think I have just named almost all the makeup product you can think of. But anyway, back to the point, I'm always in search of a good highlighter for my skin tone. And then all of a sudden I saw in Sephora they were doing this VIP Rouge sneak peek to the holiday, and I saw this baby and I was like, wait, what? Charlotte Tilbury is having an entire 2020 holiday collection, not just the eyeshadow palette. And I'm like, yes, I need to get this baby. And I don't know, I hold my breath and I was like, click, 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 and I'm done with my, shopping. So yes, that's how I got this baby. Right now, I don't think it is in Sephora or in her site, but this will be coming soon as a holiday collection. Now let's go ahead and talk about the housekeeping stuff of this highlighter. Now this retails for $55. This has a net weight of 11.5 grams. This has a shelf life of 30 months, and this is made in Italy. Let's talk about the packaging of this highlighter. Now this is how the outer box looks like. It's a nice golden packaging, and then you have like a diamond water droplet effect on the front. And then in the back of the box, you have all the details about this highlighter palette over here, and then a little instruction on how to use the highlighter is over here. Now, I think she is keeping the Holiday 2020 collection packaging tone similar. So this is how the eyeshadow palette box looks like, and yeah, they all look similar. So yes, I feel like she is just trying to keep a similar tone for all her 2020 holiday collection. Now talking about the highlighter itself, this is how the packaging looks like. Again, it's similar to the packaging of the eyeshadow, a nice silver kind of packaging. And then in the back you have the details about the highlighter over here. Now you can again pop this out to fit in the highlighter in a Z palette if you want to. And in the front, I forget to mention, it is like you have this Charlotte Tilbury's logo over here, and then the name embossed here. Now if I open the highlighter, this is how it looks like. We have a nice mirror on the top, and then a nice rose gold rim around this highlighter, and then we have again the Charlotte Tilbury's name embossed here, and then a star in the side, and the texture inside the highlighter is like this. I am not sure whether the camera is picking it or not, but yes, we have this Charlotte Tilbury's logo here, and then a lot of straight lines as a texture on the top of the highlighter. Her bronzer is again of a similar shape. This is how the bronzer looks like. It's a nice rose gold packaging, and then this is a silver pack, and they are of equal size as of the packaging, but as of the weight, this is 11.5 gram and this is 16 gram. But I really like the way she has designed her highlighter and the bronzer packaging. It's nice rose gold, the same shell structure. This is like a silver, but the same shell structure. So I think this is a cool, nice design she has done. So let's go ahead and read out what is the product claim of this highlighter is. It says that this is the ultimate face and body highlighter for a soft focus glow, and we can apply this to all the high points of our face and also to our décolletage. I think I'm wearing the right dress to test this baby because this is a face as well as a body highlighter. Now before I go ahead and apply this highlighter, let me do a swatchy for you guys. Now this is how the swatch looks like, and what I feel about this shade is it is a nice champagne goldeny rosy, you know, all the mixture of this shade together. And as I am moving my hand, it's like, you know, shifting those rosy champagne and golden shades. So it's a really beautiful combination of all the shades together. So let's go ahead and apply this baby on my face and on my body and see how this looks like. For the application, I'm going to use my synthetic hairbrush from Anastasia, and also I'm going to use a natural hairbrush from Wayne Goss, and I may also use a sponge to see the intensity if I am using this highlighter with a damp sponge. So let's start with a synthetic brush first. As I mentioned, these are incredibly soft. Wow, it's beautiful. I'm just wow right now. It's, do you guys see the kind of effect it's giving? It's so beautiful. Let me go ahead and apply it on my forehead. It's nice. It's just like a nice intense glow of your skin. It's so smooth. It's very smooth on my skin. It is not glittery whatsoever. It's a fine melt of highlighter which is just gliding onto my skin so beautifully. Let me go ahead and apply a little more. Wow, and again this is not enhancing any of my texture of my face, and this is how it looks like. It's beautiful. Let me go ahead and apply with a natural hairbrush from Wayne Goss. I think she has really improved the quality of all her powder products. So yeah, this is beautiful. This is how it looks like. I think this is like a highlighter should be. Like, it is intense, it is not glittery whatsoever. It still makes your skin look like, hey, your skin is healthy, but it also tells you you are glowing, you know, from a different galaxy. And I'm just applying it in the high points of my face right now, and this is how my face looks like after I apply this highlighter. And again, this side of my face I applied with a synthetic brush, and this side of my face I have applied with this natural hairbrush. I don't see any difference with you know, applying it with different hairbrushes whatsoever. Let's go ahead and apply this highlighter on my décolleté and see how it looks there. Wow. Yeah, it's beautiful. It looks like in my décolleté area. Let me go ahead and apply this highlighter with the sponge and see what is the intensity I get. And wow, my goodness, this is like just wow. Really a beautiful highlighter. And yes, the intensity is definitely there when I'm using a damp sponge, but the thing is, like, as I'm using it in layers, it is not making my look turning into something weird. Like, though there is lots of layers of highlighter right now on my face, it's not looking bad at all. It's just a nice, totally intensify highlighter glow I'm getting. So before I keep on applying this highlighter and become a glowing goddess, let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on this highlighter in one word: awesome. It's a beautiful highlighter. I think this is the highlighter you want during a holiday. You want this kind of highlighter during a summer, you know, when you want to have that bronzy look. I definitely recommend this highlighter. It's really smooth, it's creamy, it's silky, it does not enhance your pores. It's beautiful. And that's all I have to say about this highlighter from Charlotte Tilbury today. And if you really enjoyed my video, then please go ahead and give a thumbs up. And if you have any questions and comment, please comment down below. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye!